Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a very exciting video for newcomers, those who are like teenagers. This is especially for teenagers because teenagers don't have a bunch amount of money in their hands to spend on skincare and makeup. So today's video is nothing about makeup, it's about skincare. And today I'm gonna show you, you have already read from the title, all the products are under 200 rupees. So I'm gonna show you two options, like 2 to 3 options for each category. First category will be cleansing, and then it will be toner, and then the moisturizer. So I'm gonna show you all the 3 products which I have and I recommend to you guys, which have already worked for me very well. Glad that I'm sharing this with you guys. So not going to that long ass intro video, I don't want that. So without any further ado, let's get started. First one is this Himalaya foaming face wash. It's in the variant lemon foaming face wash. It's not the green one, it's the blue one. This is how it looks. I love this. You can see how much I have used it. It's a very good face wash for dry skin types, and you must have seen me using this face wash in my previous videos. I have used this a lot. I love this, and I'm gonna definitely repurchase this. This is very good for dry skin. It doesn't just makes your skin feel dry after you wash it. You know, some face wash does that. This doesn't. If you like that feeling of not that scrappiness around your skin, it doesn't give you that. It's a very good product. You may try this. I have 2 more products. This is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. I feel this is the dupe of the Face Shop White Seed cleansing face wash. Rice Bright cleaning face wash. Yes, that's what. This is exactly the same. By the way, this smells amazing. This smells better than anything else in this range. I have used this face wash. It's so good, and I love the smell obviously. And this one is for just a minute. This one is for 119 rupees. You will find this in discount obviously. It's very good. By the way, this one is for 195 rupees, but you will find this very cheap, like in 150 or 145. आराम से मिल जाएगा. So this one is the product which I think everyone has used in their teenage. Like when I was in 16, 17, I'm using it from that time. जब से ये निकला है, do you see this? I've used it a lot. I still have something inside it, so I'm just pulling it out and using it to this best. This face wash, however, leaves your skin a little dry, so maybe oily skin types, you may like this because it's a lovely face wash. It's a anti-pollution and purity. After using this, I really feel that my skin has become a little more brighter, which is the effect I love on my skin. Second part is the toning part, and for toners I have 2 toners for you. One is the Gulabari Rose Water. This is the best thing you can ever use, and this is the Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. These are the 2 toners which I fucking love. I love this toner so much. I have bought this recently, and do you see how much I have used it already? I've used this much already after I got it. I got this recently. You haven't watched my haul video, you should go and watch. I'll link it down. And it's a good toner. It's alcohol free, so it's good. It's for all skin types, so it's amazing. You can use this. You can also use Gulabari water, rose water. If anyone is having an allergy with rose water, some of my friends, they have allergy with rose water. They are some people, those who have allergy to rose water, so you can use this. This is in budget. This is only for 95 rupees, guys. It's so cheap, it's so good, so you must use this. And This is for 45 rupees. Okay guys, the third part is the moisturizer part. This is the product I'm using recently and I am loving it. I got this from the recommendation of Malvika Setlani. She just swear by this product and I got it because I don't know, I just follow her and wanted to use this. This is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. I don't need an anti-aging cream. This does smell a little weird, but that is not my point. This does hydrate your skin. This is a very good product if you want to use it before makeup. I have another moisturizer to show you guys. This is the Nivea Soft Berry Blossom. I am using this now a lot. Okay, I got this product in my recent haul and I just wanted to try this product. It is like very cheap guys. I don't know. Okay guys, I'm not getting the MRP. I'll sure link all these products down so you can go and check it, or how much does this cost and everything. I'm sure everything is going to be under 200. And this smells okay, like cherry की तरह ही smell होता है this cream. And if you don't like the smell of the cherry, I don't think you will be liking this product. Everyone knows this product. This is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. It's non-oily and it's for soft and glowing skin. It has vitamin E and glycerin in this. Lovely product. It smells amazing. You can see I've completed. I have left a little bit here just to use it. I have another bottle of it. Don't worry guys, I'm in love with this product. I use it so much. You can see I have already completed it. I have completed the smaller one. I have reviewed this in my empties video, so if I haven't watched it, I will link it down, so don't forget to watch it. Okay guys, let's come to lip balms now. Like, this is the favorite part of my video. So this is the Vaseline. Yeah, everyone loves this. I know this is a great thing to use. It's cheap, everyone use this, doesn't have any smell, like it a lot. And this is another one. It's from Good Vibes. It's the chocolate lip balm. I don't know how much it cost. I'll link it down, so don't forget to check the description box guys. I have linked everything down. I link everything down. This is the chocolate lip balm. This is how the texture looks. It's a very buttery and soft, and it's a very good lip balm. I like this, but I'll say I like this one a little bit more than this. So guys, if you want to know how I got this look, you can go and check that on my Instagram, because I posted a video how I got this look. So yeah, so guys, here we come to an end of the video. So if you want to know anything else, just comment down below and I'll just hear everything you tell me, and I'll just take it into consideration to whatever you tell me. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, have you used it, have you used this products, or you're going to buy it because I recommended. It would be like the absolute wall to me. And you can also follow me on my all the social medias. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will link it down below. Don't worry, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So with this, I'll see you next time. Bye, take care.